Nanotechnology, a big issue in a small world. What is nanotechnology? It is the world of very small thing. The nano is basically the Greek word. In English, that word can be used as a draft, very small. So it is simply stated that it is the world of very small things such as atoms and molecules. The technology is to study the material which is smaller than 100 nanometers. It is a multidisciplinary field of research. This technology is used by the people like physicists, chemists, biologists, material scientists, by information technology, by mechanical engineers, by electrical engineers, and so on. Nanotechnology is not a new phenomenon. You can see this cup which shows you two colors, green, reflected light, and red, transmitted light. Here you can see the images of the silver and gold nanoparticles in this cup. So by controlling the size of the particle, you can tune the properties. That is the main point related with a nanotechnology or the nanomaterials, you can say. So in principle, for a physicist, it is possible to synthesize any chemical substance that the chemist write down. So put the atoms down where the chemist says, and we can make the substance. So by using the two approaches, maybe a top down or bottom up, we can design the nanomaterial, we can tune the properties of the materials by designing or by placing the number of atoms or the materials in a proper way. So this is the important statement given by the Feynman, that there is a plenty of room at the bottom. So here you can see the nanomachines developed by the number of atoms and molecules. So here you can see the gears or the motors designed by the number of atoms. Nanomaterials is used in current consumer products like cosmetics, sunscreens. The cosmetics and sunscreens consist with the nanoparticles containing the zinc oxide, titanium oxide nanoparticles, and so on. The carbon nanotubes are used in the, you can say, the rackets to increase the strength of the rackets. Here you can see the example of the strain resistance clothing where nanopolymer composites are used to make the, to do the resistance, strain resistance in clothing. They are used in eyeglass frames, braces. They are used in automobiles, like the carbon nanotubes are used in windshields and frames to make the strong and lightweight. The nanoscale metal oxide ceramics are used to eliminate the emissions. Nanopowders are used in paints for high glossiness and durability. Then the fuel cells are designed with the nanocatalyst and the membrane technology. It is also playing important role in health and medicine. So nano devices can make gene sequencing more efficient. They are effective, less expensive, so they can be used in vivo devices. So they are more durable, rejection resistance, and the artificial tissues and organs can be developed, and the sensors can be developed by using nanomaterials are used for early detection and prevention. It is one of the important part related with the homeland security. These nanomaterials means when we are using this nanomaterial, in the devices which are used in the security. They are very sensitive, they require low power, and they are able to detect chemi or bio or nuclear threats. They are lightweight, they reduce the fuel needs and the logistical requirement. They also reduce the carry-on weight of soldier gear, increase the functionality in the security measures. Nanotechnology is used in electronic applications. So here you can see the example of the carbon nanotubes are used in crossbar arrays, where the carbon nanotubes are used or placed on a substrate and set the periodic array of the carbon nanotubes, and it can be used as a digital device to make the states on and off. So overall, the future lies on the integration of expertise of people in architecture, materials, devices, system machines, bridging the different scales like molecular, nano, micro, meso to macro, and a converging discipline from basic sciences to the applied sciences to the technology management. So typically our machines are evolving faster than we are. Within a few decades they seem likely to surpass us. Unless we learn to live with them in safety, our future will likely be both exciting and short. Thank you.